Hi guys, welcome to C2C Mentors. My name is Ketan. Today we're going to talk about Parajumble. Parajumbles, I know बहुत सारे बच्चों की kind of complain है कि सर Parajumble बनता नहीं है, बहुत time consuming होता है, कैसे करें, क्या करें, and so that's the main problem. That how do you deal with it? So let's start with the basics of Parajumble. क्या types होते हैं Parajumble के CET में, right? तो पहला होता है fixed. Fixed का मतलब है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. पांचों के पांचों statement they are going to be fixed. You don't have to do anything. Now Parajumble is going to be a short marks. आपके 5 मार्क्स कहीं नहीं गए पैराजम्बल के, सर इतने तो आपके 5 मार्क्स बनने ही चाहिए. I'll tell you why. The good thing about Parajumble in CET is that you get questions like which is the first sentence, which is the second, third, fourth, fifth sentence. CAT में, ZAT में, SNAP में ऐसा नहीं आता. What they ask you is that पूरा पैराजम्बल को आप क्लब करो. So इसमें भी ABCD. तो चारों का लेवल पता होना चाहिए, चारों की ऑर्डर पता होने चाहिए. Otherwise you are out. But here you can at least score bare minimum. You can score 3 on 5 because opening closing पता चलता है और एक आध लाइन का आपको प्लेसमेंट पता चलेगा कि यार मुझे लगता है कि सेकंड वाला होगा, राइट? सो ये चीज यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी है that you actually get bare minimum 3 marks. But is that the target? No. जहाँ पे 5 मार्क आपके बन सकते हैं वहां पे 3 क्यों लेने हैं, राइट? So you should be focusing on 5 on 5. How to do it? I'm going to explain that to you. So this is number 1 kind of a pattern which is easy. Then you have a pattern which is one fixed. It means this sentence will be fixed और बाकी में आपको खेलना है, right? या फिर the last sentence will be fixed and ऊपर में आपको parajumble करना है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 वाला. This is another pattern. This is the new pattern kind of wherein you have 2 fixed. तो opening fixed है, closing fixed है, आपको बीच में खेलना है. Fine. Now how do you approach your Parajumble? See, Parajumble is the most easiest thing that I can tell you as far as your verbal is concerned. Out of 50 questions, these 5 are the straightforward. Like, it should not take more than 3 or let's say 3 to 4 minutes, right? If you are a C2C students, एक ही और डैशबोर्ड Parajumble के बहुत सारे वीडियोस मैंने डाले हैं, पूरी स्ट्रैटेजी के मैंने वीडियोस डाले हैं. मेरे ख्याल से ओनली स्ट्रैटेजी एंड रूल्स वीडियो मिला के you have a session round about 2 hours का सेशन. If you do that much, I can guarantee you 100% accuracy in Parajumble. फिर आप कोई भी एग्जाम ले लो सीटी में तो वो और इजी हो जाता है. मैंने एक वर्कशॉप भी ऐड करी है आपके डैशबोर्ड में, वो वर्कशॉप देख लेना. That's going to help you a lot. So there are a couple of things that you need to understand. They say what is the opening, what is the closing, what's going to be the demonstrative pronoun, right? What's going to be the connector. जैसे demonstrative pronoun is one of the strategy which help you a lot. अभी demonstrative pronoun क्या होते हैं? These, those, that. ये चीजें आपको एक कनेक्शन देती है, आपको पता चलता है कि you know what, this is going to be my second statement. So you need to practice Parajumbles a lot. I would recommend around about 30-35 Parajumbles. If you do for CET level, you should be sorted. Now there is something new as far as your Parajumble is concerned, but this cannot be called as Parajumble. It comes in the part of verbal ability. VA section में आता है. This one is odd one out. अब यहाँ पे फंडा क्या होता है? देखिए भी छोटा पैराग्राफ. So you'll have a paragraph like 3 लाइन यहाँ पे, you'll have 2 lines here, then you have 3 lines here. Something like this you will be seeing in your paper. Okay? Then tell you इसमें से कौन सा वो statement है which breaks the entire rhythm or which breaks the order. That's called as odd one out. अब इसको Parajumble लिख के नहीं आता है, ये लिख के आता है odd one out, but जो exact रूल आप Parajumble को अप्लाई करते हो वही आपको यहाँ पे करने हैं, यहाँ पे भी आपके मार्क्स बनते हैं. So these are the things which are short. अगर आपका 5 on 5 नहीं बन रहा है, the first thing that you should do is start putting efforts on Parajumble. Sir, 5 on 5 is the target for Parajumble. आप पिछले पूरे के पूरे पेपर्स उठा लो, पिछले 10 साल के पेपर्स आप उठा लो सीईटी के, you will see that Parajumble has always been easy और बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आता है. मोस्टली फैक्ट बेस्ड आता है, हिस्ट्री बेस्ड आता है, ऐसा कुछ साइकोलॉजी फिलोसफी कुछ नहीं आता है. The LOD is going to be always and always easy. This is something can save your time, can give you good marks, and that's the reason Parajumble में आपको थोड़े अगर रूल्स बराबर से करते हो, अगर आपको रूल्स अच्छे से आते हैं, प्रैक्टिस करते हो, 5 on 5 कहीं नहीं गए आपके. So if you are my student, you are sorted. If you want to buy my program, which is the online coaching that we have, we came up with this shortcut kind of a program wherein we are charging you only 3K. That's 3,000 rupees that we have. You can buy the program for the entire city. We are also conducting live sessions in the night, which is like 9 o'clock से लेके 11 o'clock. That's going to go till CET, wherein I am taking lectures. Other faculties are also there, and when we are discussing what should be your strategy, we are also doing workshops over there. So if you want to join in, you can join in. But trust me, Parajumble आपको छोड़ना नहीं है किसी भी हाल में. So guys, that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video.